Real good. Woo, coming to you live right here. We are talking Primanti Brothers live right here, right now in Fort Lauderdale. You know, we've been thinking about it all day long. I had a hard-on for Primanti Brothers, and you know what? It's hard for me. Well, you know what? After a long, hard day of work, it's time. It's time to go to school. It's time for a little Snackaroos, and we're going to be easing on into evening hours. Now, we're going to recharge the old batteries right now, and then we're going to head on over to... I'm hungry. I'm starving. I didn't eat today. I've been running on job to job. I did it bank vaults today. As a matter of fact, I got a safe deposit box key I got to make. We got a lot going on yet.
You know what, dude? It's better when you ring it out like that and you don't eat stuff. Wait till the end of the day.
Yeah, wait till the end of the day. Starve ourselves. We're going to starve ourselves.
You're getting your girlish figure back.
That's right. I got to keep my girlish figure. That's right. William Mooney. Pay attention, William. This is important to you right now. Lisa Connell, Lisa, John Stanislaw. We are live right here at Primanti Brothers. You know, Primanti Brothers coming out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, down at the Strip District. The restaurant was created for the steel workers and the coal miners. They'd come out of the steel mill, and right across the street from U.S. Steel was Primanti Brothers. If you were serving up, that's how it went. They were serving. Their breakfast was the eggs on the sandwiches, their lunch, the dinner. So they were working round the clock for them right here. So William Roll, Francine Mistakis, Carol Knowles, we are live right here now. Let's talk about what we got going on here. Fresh salads. We've got all kind of salads, wings and chicken. We got lots of chicken up there. Carol Knowles. We got Leo the Lion sitting there. Woo, look at his own egg. Look. Then we got the Italian specialties. Look at this. Chicken marsala, pan with broccoli, sprig. Got it all going on here. And then we come to their signature sandwiches. Pittsburgher, the Italian sausage cheese, tuna, capicola. Leo just got the capicola. We're getting the turkey breast with the eggs on it. I want an egg on it. I want the coleslaw on it. And I want the French fries on it. You're going to get the opportunity to see that live. We then have the oven-baked hoagies along with the pizza. So we got it all going on down here as we're going to be sitting here. You bring Mr. Baker down here. He's going to be mine. Mr. Baker is going to go to school. I will educate him. Primanti's will feed him. And we're going to go live. That's right. Pay attention. This is important to you right now. This is important to you right now. All right, we're getting ready. We're going to show you one of the biggest, best sandwiches that you're ever going to see. That's the way it's going to go. Oh, look at this. There's my man. I want you to play the violin out here. Huh? There you go. There we go. Oh, sole mio. My hero. I love you, buddy. Oh, look at the size of that pizza right there. This is how we do it. You understand? It's a little hard for me right now. It's a little hard. Darling, can I have some crushed red pepper? Can I have some crushed red pepper? And some cheese? And oregano. I want it all. Look at our beautiful waitress, Primanti. Oh, there we go. Here we go. It's time for a little snow at Primanti. Oh, oregano too, fresh oregano. Let's get some of that snow down there. Oh, yeah, look at it snow. Hey, Leo, look at it snowing, Leo. We got a lot of snow coming down right now. We're going to drop it down here with all of that goodness. And we're going to throw some of that crushed red pepper down there. Look at the crushed red pepper. Oh, my. Look at all that goodness right there. And then we're going to throw a little bit of that oregano. Yes. Let's throw some of that oregano down there. Look at how we do it. Oh, my. Look at that goodness right there. Dressed up. Look at his only it can look right now. So now,
we want to see the first bite.
We're going to see the first bite. We're going to get a first bite. Now, for those of you that haven't been to Primanti Brothers, you're going to find yourself. You come down here with Mr. Sunshine, you're going to find yourself at Primanti Brothers. All right, look at the size of it. Look at that. That's a work of art right there. That belongs in the Louvre in Paris right now, under glass.
But it's going to end up in
Mr. Sunshine's mouth right now.
Dude, you should do eating commercials. You should do commercials with food.
Leo, I'm in my Primanti bliss right now. I'm in bliss right now. With all of the goodness, all of them little oral orgasms going on right now.
Hope you got it, Ann. Let me know.
Ann Barbaro. Hey, Ann, you ought to get out of Primanti Brothers down Century 3. Go down to the Strip District. Oh, look at that. Oh, there you go, Leo. Shove it in there. I'm going to shove it in there for you right now. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Thank you, Don.
Look at that sandwich right there. Oh my, look at what we got going on here. You know, Leo, we're going to set the pizza aside right now. Pizza's going to be set aside. Look at what we got going on here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, feast your eyes on this. Okay, feast your eyes. It's time. It's time to go to school. What's that, Leo? You're going to say, no, leave it on. Just hang it up and watch you eat. You got to pick up that sandwich. We got to see that. We got to see that sandwich going on over there. This is how we do it. Look at what we got going on. Hey, Leo, get a load of that, Leo. Why don't you get a load of what I got going on here right now? Huh? There's a lot of goodness being served. Look at the dripping goodness. Hey, Leo, you know what? Look at this. Now, we're going to dress it up with some oregano. We're going to put some cheese on there. We're going to put some of that crushed red pepper down on there. There you go. Look at it. Look at the goodness. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Let them see this. Let them see what we got going on here right now. Look at this. Look at that feet. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that beauty and grandeur right there. Oh, look at that. This is how we do it. Look at that work of art right there. Christine Blasich. Hey, Christine. Primanti Brothers. Look at the size of that sandwich going on right there. Huh? That's really hot. Oh, look at that. That nice big fresh egg in there with that coleslaw, with them french fries, with all of that piled high turkey going on in there. There's a lot of goodness. Oh my. Woo!